Hello learners, welcome back to my channel Fit the Lit, where we fit literature to its rightful standards. Today we are about to begin with the practice session in the series 15-minute sprint to selection, designed for KVS and NVS TGT PGT aspirants. Yes, it is a 15-minute sprint to selection where we are going to practice a few questions related to subject-verb agreement. I have already uploaded my video on the core concept. If you have not yet watched it, please go and watch it because we are going to use the rules that I have taught you there. So let us begin without any further delay with the very first question. So the first question is on your screen. The boy dashed late to school. You need to answer that which verb is going to agree with the subject here. So if you look at the verbs, you'll realize that come is actually a plural verb, plural form of verb, because there is no s or es added. Comes is the one where singular verb has been made with the addition of s. तो यही होना चाहिए हमारा ideally, but let us see what are the other options. Coming, it is the form of present continuous tense. तो ये तो हमारा नहीं है, right? And then have है यहाँ पे, so it is plural form, but our subject is singular. So there is one option that meets your need, and that is the second one, comes, right? So the correct option, the correct answer to this particular question is option B, that is comes, and we have marked the correct option. Now let us move forward with the second question. The second question is on your screen. The quality of apples dash good. This particular sentence has been discussed in the core concept class also, right? So the quality of whatsoever, लेकिन हमारा रियल सब्जेक्ट क्या है? क्वालिटी. क्वालिटी हो चाहे जिसकी भी हो, हमारा रियल सब्जेक्ट क्या है? क्वालिटी. So we need to focus on quality. So it is a singular subject. So we need to find a singular verb. Are plural, were plural, have been plural. The only answer remaining, the only option remaining is, and that is the correct option, singular verb. So is the correct option. Yes, we have chosen the correct one. Let us move forward. Question number 3. बिल्कुल डिले नहीं करना है. Remember your rules, memorize them, internalize them as you have internalized the alphabets of English language. वैसे ही हमें ये 5 rules internalize कर लेने एकदम, right? Look at this particular sentence. Either the teacher or the students dash responsible. Now, if you look at the statement, I told you whenever the conjunction, coordinating conjunction is used to join two subjects, so we always have to consider the second one. हमें कौन सा subject देखना है? Second वाला. तो यहाँ पे the students is the second subject, और के बाद जो place हुआ है. So of course our subject in consideration is plural. तो हमें verb कौन सा उठाना है? Which is plural. This is singular, singular, singular. Are is plural. So this is your correct answer, right? Let us move forward and let us cross verify the answer whether we have chosen the correct one or not. Yes, we have chosen the correct one, are. Let us move forward with question number 4. Question number 4 is of indefinite pronoun, right? Rule number 2 apply करना है. Rule number 2. तो rule number 2 क्या था? Indefinite pronoun क्या लेता है हमेशा? Singular verb, right? Because indefinite pronoun is a singular subject. तो ये क्या उठाएगा? Singular verb. So of course, plural verb, plural verb, plural verb. Only option that we are left with is D, and that is the correct option. It is a singular verb. Let us cross verify. Yes, is the correct option. Then we have question number 5. Question number 5 again, look at the subject, the information. अब ये जो है word हमारा रूल नंबर 5 की तरफ हमें भेजेगा, राइट? ये जो सब्जेक्ट है हमारा, वी नीड टू रिकॉल रूल नंबर 5. यू नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई द सब्जेक्ट. व्हाट इज द सब्जेक्ट? इंफॉर्मेशन. एंड इसकी कोई क्या प्लूरल फॉर्म होती है? इंफॉर्मेशन सुना है कभी भी? नो. तो इसकी कोई प्लूरल फॉर्म नहीं होती. सो दिस इज अ सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट विच विल पिक सिंगुलर वर्ब. तो सिंगुलर वर्ब आर नहीं है, वर नहीं है, हैव बीन नहीं है. दिस इज द सिंगुलर वर्ब. दिस इज द सिंगुलर वर्ब दैट वी रिक्वायर. द इंफॉर्मेशन इज करेक्ट. Okay, and that is the correct answer. Then the color of the background has changed. That is, we have moved to the advanced level. And may I say, these are actually the previous year questions as asked in KVS and NVS examinations in the previous recruitment drive. तो ऐसे questions पहले भी अपने पेपर में दिए थे, right? Where you need to select the part which is having some error. So this is what we need to do. We need to select the option or the part where we find some error. Each of the boys have submitted his project. Now look at this. Each of the boys have. और each क्या है हमारा? Indefinite pronoun. काफी बच्चे ये boys देख के गलत आंसर करके आ जाएंगे. No, you do not have to. आपको क्या उठाना है? Exact. Each. Indefinite pronoun. So indefinite pronoun takes up only singular verbs. तो ये जो have है ये गलत है. So of course there is an error in part B. Each of the boys has submitted his project होना चाहिए. But यहाँ पे क्या दे रखा है? Have. So there is an error in this part, B part. So the option is going to be B. Right? Let us move forward with question number 7. So we have seen that we have chosen the correct option, option B. Let us move forward with the 7th question now. Again, a similar type of question where you need to choose the part having some error in it. Okay. The quality of mangoes are very good this year. Again, the quality. यही सिमिलर क्वेश्चन हमने कोर कॉन्सेप्ट की क्लास में भी देखा था एग्जांपल में, एंड यही अभी हमने किया है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 और 3 था, राइट? सो द क्वालिटी इज व्हाट वी नीड टू लुक एट. क्वालिटी. तो क्वालिटी यहाँ पे सिंगुलर वर्ब उठाएगी, राइट? बट हियर प्लूरल वर्ब हैज बीन यूज्ड. सो ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज एन एरर इन पार्ट बी. देयर शुड बी इज. यहाँ पे इज होना चाहिए. ओके, let us move forward and cross verify the answer whether we have chosen the correct option or not. Yes, we have chosen the correct option, B. Then we have 8th question on the screen. 8th and 9th both. I'm giving you 5 seconds to go through these questions. So question 8 asks you 5 kilometers dash not a long distance for him, and then again the number of applicants dash increasing every year. This is what is happening in KVS and NVS teaching examination also. हर साल applicants बढ़ते जाते हैं, right? चलो, let us move forward. So 5 kilometers, rule number 4 apply होगा. Amounts, time and distance. क्या उठाता है? Singular verb. Rule number 4 that I taught in the core concept class. अगर नहीं देखी है तो अभी देखिए. 15 मिनट devote only 15 minutes to understand the concept of subject verb agreement. एकदम clear cut, right? 5 kilometers refers to distance, so of course it will take up singular verb. तो are नहीं है, were नहीं है, have been नहीं है, is. Okay, only singular verb available in the options is. Now look at the second question that is on the screen, that is 9th one. The number of applicants. Again, the real subject. Identify the real subject. कितना बड़ा subject दे दिया है, but हमारा rule number 5 क्या कहता है कि identify the real subject. So when you go on identifying the real subject, you will see कि नंबर के बारे में बात हो रही है और एक ही नंबर के बारे में बात हो रही है, राइट? एक ही नंबर के बारे में बात हो रही है. So of course singular. Here are, were, have been. लास्ट में बचा is. is नहीं दिख रहा होगा शायद बोर्ड पे. It is, the last option is. So the number of applicants is increasing every year and 5 kilometers is not a long distance for him. So we will just cross verify the answers. Is and is, both are correct. Okay, let us now move forward. The last question, again a very tricky one. And let me just give you a hint. इसमें roll number 1 apply होगा. So I hope you are ready with your answers. If you are, write your answer, write your option in the comment box. And let us check whether you have written the correct option or not. It is, as I said, a tricky question. The committee क्या है? Collective noun, because it is a group of people. The committee dash divided in their opinions. यहाँ पे the committee is not united, rather they are divided. तो जब वो division है in their opinions, so here the collective noun will be treated as a plural subject. तो हमें plural subject ढूंढना है. is नहीं है, plural verb ढूंढना है. is नहीं है, was नहीं है, are नहीं है. Oh sorry. So we need to find a plural sub. So we need to find a plural verb, right? Is नहीं है, was नहीं है, has नहीं है, has नहीं है. So we need to find a plural verb, okay? So is नहीं है, was नहीं है, has नहीं है. The only plural verb available in the option is are. So the correct option becomes are. अब काफी एस्पिरेंट्स को लगेगा ये तो बहुत ही अटपटा सा लग रहा है. नो, दिस इज एज पर इंग्लिश ग्रामर रूल्स. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपको पढ़ने में ये सेंटेंस ठीक नहीं लगेगा, बट एज पर रूल्स जो अगर आंसर की आएगी केवी की उसमें यही आंसर करेक्ट होगा, राइट? सो द कमिटी आर डिवाइडेड ऑन देयर ओपिनियंस. इज दैट क्लियर? चलो, लेट अस मूव फॉरवर्ड. We have already attempted 10 questions and I guess this was the last one. And yes, let us cross verify our answer. R is the correct option. This brings us to the end of the practice session. I hope you enjoyed testing your knowledge. If you like, this brings us to the end of the session. I hope you enjoyed testing your knowledge. If you want to understand the core concept of subject-verb agreement, I have provided the link below. And of course, if you liked the video, like it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel Fit the Lit for more such interesting content. And always remain lit.